Hello viewers, a very warm welcome to my channel SAP Certification. Now this channel is a one-stop solution to all your certification needs. Now if you are liking this idea, then consider subscribing to my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon. Now this video is going to be for all the aspirants who are wanting to give SAP certification. Now I'm going to tell you how to find the list of SAP certifications that are available and how to choose your desired test. So let us start. So to find out the list of SAP certifications, I have to go to Google, and in the search bar I will have to type SAP certification list. So this is coming, SAP certification list. I will click on it. Now it would open up a lot of results. Now we have to go into the first result, which is from training.sap.com, and it says list of valid certifications. So I will click on this first link that will come up. Now here, there's a country and language, so you can select your area. Okay, so as I am in India, I can select India from here. Okay, so I can do a Control F and I will type in India and I will select India from here. Okay. Now here, if you scroll down, you would be able to see all the certifications that you can appear for. Okay. Now this list is very vast, so you can choose from a lot of certifications. Now the most important thing here is this part. Okay. So this is the test code. You see C underscore TS413 underscore 1809. So this means that this is the test code and this is the version. So all these certifications are mainly HANA based. So this test is on the version 1809. So if you check, there are a lot of versions which you can apply. Okay. So for example, I select this one. Okay. Let's take sourcing and procurement. So in sourcing and procurement, which is the SAP MM module, we have these are the certifications that we can appear for. Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 tests which we can appear. So the first one is for 1709, and there are 2 tests for upskilling. That means that the people who have already certified in R3 can go for upskilling tests, and this test is for without inventory management, and this test is the latest version, that is 1909. So you can select any of the certifications that are available. Okay, and if I go to view details, okay, if I open any one and if I go into view details, I will understand the version. This is the test code, it's very important, and the name of the certification, and we can see the exam type. So the exam is of 80 questions, the cutoff score is 64, the duration is 180 minutes, and these are the topics. So in my next video, I'm going to discuss in detail about this exam type. Okay, what are the details here, and I will go through the topics, and this is very important, the price, and also how to book this test if you want to appear, and some other details. Okay, so just wait for the next video, and I wish all of you all the best. Take care and bye bye.